starts to install the MR2. Let's get into it. Oh, look at my baby. So today we're gonna be installing some new turn signal lights because these ones are a little faded and just is not looking all too good. And then we also are gonna be installing a new wing. Yes, I know this wing is sick, but I got the TRD, a new TRD wing, so I want to install that on this car. Let's get into it. So this is the wing we're going to be installing today. It's part of the sides. It's not painted, so I got some vinyl wrap right here. Got some black vinyl wrap that we're going to be wrapping this car with. And if you don't know, I am a professional rapper. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna be attempting to wrap this wing, and then we're gonna install in the car, and then got the lights right here. And these are the new turn signal lights right here. So the lights will be from Lights Up Pro. These are the new lights. This shit's gonna look way more sicker on the car, you know? These to these. It's gonna look a lot sick. We got the other light, the module, and then the controller. And that's it. Show you how to install this. Don't worry, I got new mats for the car coming in too, just now. So first thing you want to do, is either get a flathead screwdriver, and you're either gonna pry it from right in between the light or down here. Personally, I'm gonna try it from here just because I don't want to scratch the paint more than it is. But yeah, just gotta be very careful. Go to the corner here. That should pop out like that. Here, you just gotta be careful because it slides in there. That's pretty much it. This thing just comes right off. Grab a pair of needle nose pliers just so you can take out the clip here. So it's not supposed to look like that. Sorry, I didn't show that part, but basically it's not supposed to be like that. But I just had to connect these two wires. I guess the old owner did some MacGyvery here, I'm assuming. But yeah. Did I do this? I probably did it. Bruh. Yeah. You just had to disconnect these two wires, and then it's time to get the new one in. Just a quick thing. With the headlights I'm running, these are also indicators and daytime running lights. So to get these working again, because disconnected it, I had to wire in these two wires. Just one for daytime running light, one for the turn signals. So basically I have to do the same thing onto the new one. So just give me a minute. Hey, we got it all wired up. So now it's time to install them. Yeah. Alright, so I just wanted to show something quick. I just had to separate these two pieces. This part is really hard to take out. For the reason just because right here there's a screw that goes in here to screw in this one. So I just had to take that out, put it on. Low key, I was wondering where the screw was because I'm like, it came out all as one. So I'm like, oh, maybe it's different. But yeah, so we're gonna put it back together now. Let's get the shit ready. in. Way cleaner. Way cleaner than the other ones. But these ones, mad dirty, bro. Look at these new ones. Wow. And just so you see how everything's wired up in there. And I got this wire going to the ground right there, which pops up over here. And I'm gonna be connecting the module somewhere up in here. All right. So I got the turn signals connected to the module. Got the module running to the battery here. It's time to test these out. I just want to show how clean that looks. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got. Hey. No, that's hard. Ooh. Changes colors and shit. Ooh. No, it's kind of hard to see on camera. But check that. Hey. Hit it with the sparkles. Oh, it's kind of hard to tell. Cycling through colors. Oh shit. Shit. Hey, another dance mode. All right, so it's a new day. Yesterday, it got really dark, really cold in here. So I was like, yo, I'm just gonna save the next portion of the video till today. So today we're gonna be wrapping the car. And also my mic came in. So like, tell me if you like the audio better. But for today, we're gonna be doing the wing. So let's get lit. All right, so this is my little station. You see I got a heat gun, I got the vinyl wrap, I got some knifeless tape, and I also got the squeegees and stuff. And this is my little workstation that I'm gonna be wrapping the stuff on. All right, so grab the first piece. Little unboxing. This is what the TRD wing looks like. Ooh, carbon fiber. Got the other piece. I haven't opened it yet. And then hardware we're going to be needing, and also where I got it from MR2Heaven.com. Go check them out if you got an MR2. Got some really cool stuff on there, but let's get into it. All right, yo, so I'm going to attempt to wrap this. This is literally my first time ever wrapping anything, so this is going to be an experience. But I'm going to start from the bottom, do the bottom first, and then I'm going to do the inside and then fold it from the outside after. So let's get it. All right, so I have it all traced out. Let's try this now. Hey, I mean, for the first time, that's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? Because my first time doing this, but we're almost there. Progress report. I'm still fighting with it, but we're almost getting there. All right, and that's pretty much it for this side. Time to cut off the excess. There's a little bit of bumps here, but the wing's gonna go there, so I don't really care. All right, guys. So sorry, my phone stopped recording, so I didn't get the last bit, but I basically just went and finished off the pieces. You know, for the first time, it's not that bad. I know, yeah, there's bumps here, but yo, the wings are going there. You're not gonna see it. Honestly, if you look from afar, it's okay. So I take it, bro. For the first time, Yo, first time not bad, so I'm gonna let it rock. I'm gonna get these pieces painted in the future, but for now, that's what we're working with. So it's time we get the install going in. Let's go. All right, so now we're gonna be taking off the old wing. Hold on, clarification. This is the clearance we got right now. It's the old wing. All right, so it's time to take off this wing. We got one bolt here, one in there, and then another screw here. And this side, same thing, one here, and then one here. So let's go and get this removed. And she's off. Hey, this is the light wing. And just like that, the wing is finally off. Holy, that took a mad minute. So dirty. So dirty. So now I'm gonna be testing the new one to see if the brackets fit. Let's see. And just like that, she's done. Hey. 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 Carbon fiber. No, I'm kidding. So I ran into some problems with just aligning up the wing. So I thought the bolt holes matched, but it turns out they don't. When I put this one on, it's kind of hanging over just slightly, as you can see. And then on this side, it's kind of flush, but the holes don't really match. So I just kind of mocked up the wing just so you guys can see what it looks like on the car. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to finish it today, just as I don't have all the tools to drill new holes just yet. So we'll be working on that. But damn, it would have been sick if I finished today. Jeez. It would have been so sick, bro. But yeah. Hey. New turn signals. And then the wing. But yeah, I'm gonna get this fixed up just now. Probably the next video, I'll have something fixing it. But for right now, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you next time.